Beginning with Altium Designer 19, the functionality for accessing components from the Library panel and Explorer panel has been consolidated into the Components panel. To access your libraries, open the Components panel from the Panels menu located at the lower right part of Altium Designer. The Components panel is a convenient single point of access for all Altium library types. The panel is broken down into some key areas. Use the controls in the search bar region to toggle visibility of filters, enter component search text, interact with file-based libraries, and toggle visibility of component information. The Categories region is used to select component categories of managed components and is also where the various Altium library types are selected for search, display, and placement. A search box is also available to search the information in this section of the panel. The Filters section is populated by the parameters present in the components list returned from the search. The search criteria is a combination of text search and category selection made by the user. This provides a convenient way to further refine the search. For example, when selecting the processor category, only processor-related parameters, such as I/O count, are available for further narrowing. This enables you to bring device-specific context to the filter parameters, which is particularly useful in selecting complex devices with many functions. This region also includes a search field for convenient searching of listed parameters. Search results are available in the Component List section. Columns can be resized and fitted. You can also sort and group this list. The area above the list shows the search text and selected filters that have been applied to the search. Each can be removed as desired. You can also select two components in the list and see a side-by-side comparison in the Details panel to the right. When applicable, the Components List panel will also include an indication of how many parts matching the search would be returned from using Altium Designer's Manufacturer Part Search panel. A link is included allowing you to see results. You are also given a convenient link to creating a new component. The Details section contains all information related to the component, including schematic symbol and footprint previews, reference material, part choices assigned to the component, as well as real-time supplier availability. The Where Used area provides visibility into which managed projects are using the selected component. Finally, this section includes a Place button that you can use to place the component in the schematic. Please note that when the Components panel is resized smaller, some of the sections will be hidden to facilitate a more compact panel format. Components can be placed by dragging and dropping or by right-clicking on the component and selecting the Place command.